As in the previous video, we have studied some important terms of biology that we need to understand. So let's start from the next part. Dermatology. We can understand that dermatology is mainly it is the study of the skin, right? And after that, dendrochronology. Dendrochronology is like the carbon dating we done for the fossil fuels. Similarly, the carbon dating for knowing the what are the year, the how much old the trees are from the rings of the trees, right? After that, ecology it is the study of the interrelationships between the living beings and the environment. And after that, evolution, we can say the evolution is just like the formation or the study of a origin of a life. After that, the variation and the formation of new species. Embryology is like the fertilization egg. After that, the zygote formation and then the embryo, right? Eugenics is the study of the factors for the improvement of the human race, right? Similarly, euthanasia, that is study of the environment condition which is for contribute to the improvement of the human beings. After that, euphenics is the improvement of the phenotypic defect due to the genetical disorder or the abnormality by altering the environment. After that, ethnology it is the study of the science which deals with the different human race, right? Ethology is just the study of the animal behavior within the natural habitat. And etiology is the causative agents which cause the diseases. As we know, the malaria is caused by the female uh, uh, one of the mosquito, female mosquito. So just like that, the causative agent of a diseases. Etiology. Entomology is the study of the insects, right? Exobiology is the study of the possibility of a life in a space. And floriculture it is the study of we can say that it is the cultivation of the flower and vegetable and something plant. After that, food technology, so how do we preserve the food. After that, transportation done, the storage done, and all those things in this we have to read. Forensic science, that is the cause or any reason or the person to identify that person who has done some criminal act, right? After that, fishery it means the rearing and then the catching and all those things, transportation and all of these fishing. After that, we can say the forestry means the management and the development of the forest. After that, fermentation, so fermentation we can say that it is done when there is the sum of the incomplete oxidation done, and in the absence of the O2, what happened, these the microbes they started to leading an ethyl alcohol. Genetics, we can say that anything which are transferred from one generation to another generation through the gene, right? Some heredity, some say we can say that the uh, various of the children's, they have the twisted bone, so this can be passed from the genetics from one generation to the young ones, right? Growth, we can say that is the permanent growth in terms of their weight, in terms of their height and masses, etc. Gynecology, it means that it is the study of the female reproductive organs, right? After that, gerontology means the study of the aging means the old ones, this study. After that, the gastroenterology it means the study of the intestines, stomach, all these things. After that, hypertony, as we know, suppose there are the two concentration of the solution, right? And their soluble concentration is different. So the higher concentration which can solute, so which can the solution which have the higher solute concentration is called hypertonic, and hypotonic, the solution which have the lower solute concentration, is called hypotonic. After that, homeothermic is like the some of the animals have the constant body temperature, right? They have the constant body temperature, and that's why they are known as the warm blooded animals. After that, the histology is the study of the tissue organization, their structure with the help of the microscope. And hygiene we can say that we can the health care and the preventing ourselves from the diseases by making ourselves cleanliness. After that, hydroponic it is the growth of the plants in the water without soil and within some nutrients. After that, the hematology is means that is the study of the blood, right, in health and diseases. Hepatology means the study of the liver. And ichthyology, it means the study of the feces. Immunology, study of the immune system. Cardiology, it means the study of the beauty human. And metazoans, it means the all the unicellular all the multicellular organisms or the animals are called metazoans, right? After that, monoecious. Monoecious means the flower, we can say, which have a both the male as well as the female flower, right? The plants which have both the male as well as female flower. Morphology, we can say, the study of the external structure of an organism. And microbiology, like the study of the microorganisms, we can say, like the bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and etc. After that, the molecular biology, it means the study of the molecules in a human being. Medicine, we say that the treatment of the diseases with the help of a drug. And after that, mammography is the study of or the treatment of the breast cancer. After that, the mycology means the study of the fungi. And the marine ecology means the study of the ant. After that, the mixed farming, we can say that the farming which have the farming which have the animal husbandry, right? Nutrients, so the chemical substances that we take in as a food, which are useful for our growth, which are useful for our health, and all those things. Nanotechnology means the study of the very small, right? Neurology means the study of our nervous system. And neonatology means the study of or the treatment or the care of the newborn or the premature or the ill baby. After that, nephrology is the study of the kidneys. And osmosis, we can say that just we have an movement of the water molecule from the semi-permeable membrane, right? And from a region of a higher concentration to a lower concentration. And this osmosis takes place when we keep the resins, right, in the water. So we know that resins are dry, but when we keep in water, so the water molecules which are entered through the semi-permeable molecule, and they moves from the higher concentration to a lower concentration, and the resins just swell up, right? So this is the osmosis process. After that, odontology. So odontology is the study of the teeth and the muscles, like dental doctor we do for our problems of our teeth and all these things. After that, osteology is the study of the bones, right? And oncology is the study of the cancer and the tumors. And after that, the obstetrics is like the pregnant lady which have going to give a birth, young ones. So that time, the before and after, the taking care of that is the obstetrics. After that, ornithology. Ornithology is the study of the birds. Ophthalmology is the study of the eyes. And after the phytoplankton, we know that these are the very small microorganisms which are just naturally grow in the side of the oceans, and they helpful in the photosynthesis process. So this phytoplankton are known as for the microscope organism which float on the water surface. After that, parasite we know that the microorganisms which growth and which depend upon the other organisms for their growth, and they harm also on it. And after that, poikilothermic. As we know, poikilothermic is the which organism which change their certain body temperature according to the environment, and these are known as the cold blooded animal. After that, pigment. So pigment, it is a certain which absorb a light with a certain wavelength, and just like a chlorophyll we in the green leaves. After that, paleontology. Paleontology is the study of the fossils like the dinosaurs. Pathology is the study of the diseases, and after that, causable agents and the transmission of the pathogens. Pomology is the study of the fruits and the yielding plant. After that, physiology is the study or the treatment of the mental disorder, and the physiology is the study of the head and the brain and all those things, then human mind behavior, etc. Pisciculture is the study of the feces, and the phycology study of the algae. And after that, the pediatrics, we can say that it is the study or the science relating to the children, medicine dealing to the children, right? After that, the parasitology is the study of the parasites. Pharmacology is the study of the drugs, right, dealing with the drugs. After that, the photobiology, so the effect of the light on the effect of the light on the biological processes. After that, phylogeny, we can say it is the evolutionary history of a organism. After that, physiotherapy is the treatment of the body by with the help of the some massage and some exercise. Radiology, we can say that a treatment by the imaging such as the x-ray, CT scan, MRI, etc. After that, rhinology, we can say it is the study of the nose and the olfactory organ. Sonography is the imaging with the help of an ultrasound which are done during the pregnancy. Sorology is the study of the lizards. The serology is study of the serum. And the sphygmology is the study of the pulse and the arterial pressure. So as we know that the sphygmomanometer which measures our blood pressure, that is BP, which is need to be normal. So this sphygmology is used for the study of the pulse and the arterial pressure. Taxonomy, we can say it is the study of the classification and nothing else. Telepathy we can say that is the communication of our views, of our ideas, of our thoughts from one to another organism without use of normal senses, right? Veterinary science is the taking care of the domestic animals, right, and the health care of these animals. Holstein Friesian Holstein Friesian. Holstein Friesian, it is the breed of a cow, right? And after that, the primatology. Primatology is the sum of the study of the bodies or the behavior of the human, just like a monkey of the apes, and after that the orangutan of all these things. After that, viticulture. What is viticulture? Viticulture, we know that it is the cultivation of a grapes for the wine and for the commercial purposes, and it is the very much commercially helpful. After that is horticulture. Horticulture is the gardening processes, and after that the cultivation of the fruits, the vegetable and flower, and it is done for the commercial purposes. Agriculture, it is mainly for the science or art of a cultivating, right, and nothing else. Horticulture is it is the cultivating of or the growing of the vegetable with the culture of a non-woody plant, right, which have the non-woody plant. So thank you for watching.